I'm laughing because I'm trying to name the pumpkin. And I was like, oh, what can I call you? And I was like, you know, you're a pumpkin. I was like, I'll call you Pum Pum. I can't call the fucking pumpkin Pum Pum.
Hey, Joe.
You are my black queen, no so pure. Your melanin so sweet, it be mature.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, Conjela familiar. As you can see from the title, your girl is going to be carving a pumpkin. We're not calling her Pom Pom. We're not calling her Pum Pum. I like giving things guy names. I don't know why. You don't look like a Joseph. How am I saying you don't look like a Joseph? You're a fucking pumpkin. I'm gonna close my window. I feel like it's loud. I've never carved a pumpkin in my life, so it's gonna be experience for the three of us, all of us, both of us, whoever's watching. Yeah. I got too excited when I went to market. I just saw pumpkin. I was like, oh my god, it's so big. I feel like it doesn't look that big on camera, but look at my head. I've got a big head anyway, so. P, say hi to the people, them. I got this kit from Co-op. Look how tiny that knife is. I literally just put this on my story on Instagram because I was like, I feel like this is not going to do the job that it needs to do. Friends, do you know what? I should probably watch a video of someone else doing this first. I don't think I should just jump straight into it. I only have one pumpkin to spare. There are some in Co-op for sale for £2, but just trying to do one, you know. But hey, no need for that kind of behavior around here. Before we get started, we're gonna go and watch a little video. Whatever tutorials I watch, I will put them in the description box. If you haven't carved pumpkins and you feel like I'm not doing it good enough, then I'll show you who taught me, yeah? So after my literally the video was like 2 minutes long, but I just typed in how to carve a pumpkin. First of all, the video I just watched, he didn't have none of this. All he had was a knife. I spent £1 on this for no reason. I was complaining. This cost me £1. Why would I be complaining when this wasn't expensive? Anyway, so I need to get a pen. Paul ain't looking. He's looking a bit crusty on that side, so I'm just gonna turn it around. I washed the pumpkin when I first got it because this has been here for like 2 weeks. So I'm gonna draw a circle around the end first. And also, I don't know why I thought I was going to be able to eat the pumpkin. I'm there like, yeah, when I get like I'm not going to have leftovers. It's just going to be seeds inside. I saw the video and I was like, oh, rah. So I'm not going to have pumpkin. The face, ear. Yeah, like ear. That's what I want the face, right here. So we're going to cut round here. I'm just winging it. That is, the pen really stopped working. So you draw your circle like so. Can you see it? And then now we need to get a knife. Get a sharp knife, he said. I'm going to get this square because I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. Maybe I might try it for like the delicate bits. So, okay. Put it on the side. Honestly, listen. If you're... I don't know what to say. Just don't do it if you can't use a knife, innit? If you're a kid watching this, you shouldn't be on my channel. Go on, go. This is how he did it. Listen, I watched one video, yeah? I'm gonna stop talking while I'm doing this because, you know, holding a knife. Okay. Hey, alright. Oh, was not expecting that. Right, we're gonna use the season. Just scrape off that, we don't need you. Look how thick that is. So I'm gonna scoop all of this stuff out. And then he says to thin it out where you're gonna carve it. You can use a spoon. I can't believe I've never carved a pumpkin before. And I love Halloween. I feel like I keep saying this in my videos. Maybe I don't. Maybe I'll just say it to myself. Pumpkins have so many seeds. How many seeds do you need to grow like one pumpkin? Just scrape all the stringy bits. Oh, stringy bits as well, you know. On his video, what he did is he cut it. So he cut it, and then there was like a top bit, and then he cut the top bit and popped it out. I clearly didn't need to do that. I don't know if I cut it too low, but saves me one step, doesn't it? It's just like an arm workout. I'm not gonna lie to you, my arm's tired. Expect kids to do this. Bloody hell. Listen, when I was younger, my mum used to let me go to Halloween, like, she used to let me go to a treat with my friends, like, with their parents. And then she got to an age where she's like, no, there's demons out. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna be able to eat any of this. The thought was a nice idea, you know? Didn't know you just wasted, I didn't know you just carved the pumpkin, it was a waste of the whole thing. Ah, sure, I'm scraping good quality pumpkin out here, you know? Quality pumpkin. It's only been 10 minutes. It's really not even taking me that long, is it? Oh, lopsided that is. But it's alright, it's gonna be like this. Like this. Why is it sliding off like that? Oh no. Wait, how am I supposed to sit on? We'll come back to that. Now we're gonna draw like this. The la features. La features. Saying la features with an accent doesn't mean I can speak French. Just need to clarify that to myself. I was never good at art, so I'm very nervous about this part of the process. Listen, if I think about it too much, that's when I'll start getting a ruler out, trying to measure if they're the same length, width, height, distance, outline for us, bit of guidance. No, Chris and Drake will talk about no guidance, but we need it. It's gonna be like that, so I'm doing it from here. And then okay, this is not doing what I need it to do. Oh, you little cutie. Little cutie with the booty. Anyway, I saw this in the video the guy did. It gives me my little gap teeth. How can you have a gap tooth? No, you can have gap teeth. Huh? Anyway, well, this is what my pumpkin is going with. This is what we're hoping for. I feel like Dr. Miami. Is this what he does with his patients before they go under the knife? So now, I'm going to take Paul under the knife. I'm going to see if it works. Oh my god. Poor knife. The guy on the video said keep rocking it like that. He said it's the best motion. But I'm not too sure if... Ah. Okay. Alright. Nice, sharper than I thought it would be. I'm really enjoying this. Why have I never done this before? Oh yeah, your mum. You pop it out. Hey! I am extremely proud of myself. Little things in life that make me happy, and this is one of them. Maybe I'm doing the wrong course at uni. Maybe I should become a doctor. Plastic surgeon and that. I could be giving girls cheeks. Hi guys. Sexy. Considering I didn't use a ruler or nothing, can you see the equalness of that? Yeah? That's what I'm talking about. Changing my course tomorrow. Do my doctorate. Doctorate's not really a medical doctor. Never mind. It's a conversation I'll have with myself later. No, I did it wrong. I was supposed to come and then go down here and then go back up. But because I forgot, I'm going to go down here and then come stop somewhere there. Yeah. Do we look the same? This is a post-op. To make sure everything's looking, you know, what it's supposed to be. I don't know why I thought this was going to be harder than it actually was. I'm going to get a paper towel and I'm going to wipe off the pencil mark. The pen mark. So, on the guy's video, his pumpkin was pretty small, so he put one of those little candles in. I'm going to put like 3 in because it's a pretty big pumpkin. I was going to get a fake one. I was like, why am I getting a fake candle? Like, I like candles anyway, so I just got real ones. And these are actually scented as well. I wonder if it's going to smell, because there's vanilla, I wonder if it's going to smell like pumpkin vanilla. I feel like that was stupid, but ooh. If you are a kid who's watching this, please get an adult to help you. Because this channel ain't about health and safety, as you can see. The issue now is, oh, I didn't wipe the freaking pen off. It's Ed. Paul, you look nice. You look good.
You look good!
Alright.
You look good!
Let me turn off my ring light. So, what a babe. What a fucking babe. I'm so proud of you. Why am I so proud of you? What? Yeah, I did that shit. Look at that. Look. Ooh, spooky. Basically, this has really convinced me that I'm in the wrong course at uni and I should be a doctor, a plastic surgeon to be precise. So yeah, if you hear that I've changed courses, you know why. You've seen my work. You see what these hands can do, yeah? Look at this. Strong black hand.
Look at that strong black hand.
Hey, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend that Crazy and Paul are on the scene, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Your hat's falling off. It's not even your hat, your skull. Top of your skull's falling off, love. Don't want any accidents, want your brain spilling all over the gaff. Oh.